Hi, it's Mary again. I'm here to talk to you about how to label your panel once it has been completely stitched. It's really important that we know which panel it is and how it falls into the installation as we're putting this together. So, what you want to do if you're going to go the simple route is to take a 6-inch square of fabric, approximately 6 inches. Put the panel number at the top, and this is for panel 13K. I've written my name as the panel maker. You can add the names of all the people who helped you make the panel. You can also note on here that you have made the panel in honor or in memory of someone. Not all the names have to be huge, and this label could be really big if you need it to be. But what you really want to be large and easily readable is the panel. So panel 13K at the top. This is going to go on the back of your panel at the top in the center so that all the labels are in exactly the same place and we can orient them properly once we are putting this together for an installation. I'm just going to attach this to the back of my panel. I can do it before I start putting the booties on or after the booties are on. Either one is a problem, but it's going to go on the back. It's going to go on the top and in the center of the 30-inch edge. And this is where I would just stitch it on with a running stitch. If you wanted to get fancy and do embroider yours or hand embroider it, you're welcome to do that as well. And I wanted to show you here how Mary Kitely did her label. Again, she lined her panel with the non-woven, and she just labeled it at the top, in the center, on the back. Super easy, but a really important step. Please don't forget it. Then, when you're ready to put it in a box and ship it to me, and please do so that I get it by April 1st, that would be wonderful. That way it'll be at the next installation at the March of Dimes in Phoenix. What you want to include is this panelist permission form. And what you're going to do here is tell me how to spell your name correctly for the website, because I want the world to know that you were a part of this project. Give me the names of all the people who've contributed to your panel. I would love to acknowledge them as well. You could also put in here that your panel was made in memory or in honor of someone. You may want to note here why you are participating in this community art project. I would love to know. And you pop this in the box with your booties and you send them to me. The next installation, as I mentioned, will be in Phoenix, April 1st, April 18th, 2020. There's going to be lots of pictures on the website, so you will be on the mailing list, the email list, to get that information. Thanks so much for participating. You are really part of something important and big. 23,000 baby booties is a crazy goal. We're more than halfway to it, and I'm so excited about that and so grateful to have you be a part of this. Thank you.